Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I wanted to share the new releases from Mintay Papers. They are gorgeous. There are 4 collections, so I'm going to do 4 different videos because there is so much stuff, as well as the new chippies. So let's jump right in with Grandma's Attic. I've got a nice little cup of tea right here because I'm going to be yammering a lot. So this is kind of a nostalgic collection. Very sweet. Now, you guys have seen the cover page, and the back side has this bonus page with all of these great cut aparts, and not cut aparts, pieces to detail cut, fussy cut, however you like to phrase it. How awesome is that you get an extra? And I like to use tons of layering, so it totally works for me. So we have that. All right, the first paper number 1, super gorgeous. It's a scene. But I see butterflies and tickets, a cute little bingo card, a bird cage is here, these Edison bulbs up here. So super gorgeous. We've also got like a little bit of a ledger in the background, and there's like the lightest violety kind of a color on the ledger. I didn't see that before in the collection. This is why I like to kind of unbox with you guys, because I get to see things much more in detail instead of just flipping right through. Look at the beautiful little doilies that are tucked in as well. Now, the back side of this paper, we'll just do it like this. This is, oh wait, that's paper number 1. I am so sorry. The back side of paper number 1 is this great piece right here. Tons of text, looks like a newspaper print. Really cute. It has stuff about stylish gowns, conference over country unrest, and there's also like these like splatty bit ink splotches on it. So super fun. I love text. Now, paper number 2, of course, another scene. We've got text in the background, and then, you know, repeating the elements that we've already seen with this cute bird cage and the Edison bulbs. This really gorgeous, like, it's like this frosty blue, got a little bit of mint going on. The butterflies are in this really, really nice, deep amber tone. So the colors are pretty awesome. I'm loving the delicate peach vibe we have as well. And then there's elements like right here that kind of have this pewter, and this has a patina. So there's lots and lots to look at. Now, the back side of this one right here is this gorgeous piece. It is a ledger for the background, and then all kinds of floral. And we're also seeing that really great little kind of violet color in some of the ledger work. It's gorgeous, guys. But this to me is screaming, pop me on for a background. So pretty. So for paper number 3, we've got a set of doors. I mean, they're scuffy, you know, with the paintwork all chipped up, which we are so used to with Mintay. And repeating elements again with our bird cages. Edison bulbs are prevalent. This gorgeous butterfly. I want to cut them all out. These door knockers that are patinaed up. So super beautiful, super romantic. The back side of this one is this right here, guys. Look, so we've got the ledger print kind of vibing in the background, right? Like it's back there. And we also have this idea of like scuffy paint and the shabby chic thing, and almost like a fleur-de-lis kind of vibe, but it's definitely got this whole like romantic vintage kind of thing happening. So paper number 4, so really sweet, got the ledger in the background again. I'm seeing some of the violet, I'm seeing the lines running each way, super cool. We have a little bit stronger introduction of this near navy blue color. It's like a mid-tone though. Super pretty. We've got, you know, of course, the leafy bits that you get with the florals. It's just a gorgeous piece, and the florals are repeating as things go, but super pretty. The backside to this one right here. Just look at it. Would you look at it? We've got all of these aged tags that just want you to fussy cut them all out and use them on every project you have, be it layout, altered book. The stuff the design team does is absolutely amazing. I mean, just, yeah, cut it all out. Be happy. Be happy you have 2 in your collection kit. So paper number 5, repeating floral, once again on the ledger background, which I think is so, it's just the bomb. You know, even in the ledger background, you can see like splatty bits are splattered everywhere. They're on top of the florals as well. Super pretty. Very kind of a calm vibe to this collection. And the backside to this is all these tickets. And once again, guys, if you can give me a bunch of tickets with my collections, I am a happy girl. And we are right in the thick of it with this collection. So absolutely gorgeous. Paper number 6 that we have right here, it is like 3x4 cut aparts, but there's all of these elements you can cut out for additional die cuts, which is super fun too. Like the Edison bulbs are layered with florals and doilies and tags. So it's everything. And then finally we have, for the back of that, we have paper number 6 on backside. These are the 3x4 cards again, but they have a totally different look. Like these are more scenic, and these are pieces that are just made for layering. You can do a mini book with just this paper right here. So gorgeous. Next up, we have got this great piece right here. This is the cardboard stickers, and they are like the perfect dimension. You've got dimension, and they're nice and sturdy, right? But they're not super thick. So you can make them more dimensional with some dimensional adhesive, or have them as is, and they're nice and sturdy. They're printed on the same paper as what you get with the Mintay papers. And so you know the quality is absolutely stunning. We've got some fishtail banner pieces. We've got title bits. All of these little sentiments down here: family times are the best of times, digging up roots, a life of honor. So all of those great things. Vintage, antique. We've got these great circles for all your little tucking. So super, I love these. I love the cardboard stickers. All right, so then we have the 6x6 paper pad, and the 6x6 paper pad has the same papers as in the 12x12, but with a smaller scale. And one of the cool things about it is you also have these pieces that you can detail cut out. Now, what I want to know is, are they the same size? They look to be the same size as the pieces, if you look here and here, as in the 12x12. I was wondering about that. Although, does it go across on every one of them? Because this looks way smaller, unless it's the same size. No, I think the sizes vary. I was wondering about that. So they're on the front cover and they're on the back cover. So you've got lots of goodies you can get from here. And guys, look at this little sheet here with these little tiny cute pieces. So these all of a sudden become these great embellishments because they're so little. So just a quick flip through, because we've already seen these pieces, but look at when the tickets get smaller, how cute. And when these pieces, you know, they're not 3x4 anymore. So it gives you a totally different vibe when you get to score the 6x6 book. All right, let me tuck that over here. What to show you guys next? I showed you the cardboard stickers, which we love. Oh, guys, these are new. New. Let me come in just a little bit. So this is the new 6x8 paper pad. And the cool thing with these is we get different papers, and there's different pieces for you to fussy cut out in them. So you have to get it. All right, so 6x8 paper pad. The front cover is printed with this super cool newspaper print, which is awesome. Then we go right into this kind of damask kind of pattern right here with some taupes and scuffy paint. Another print here. I mean, it's pretty and romantic and layerable. This is a print that we've seen, but in a different tone, I believe. Gorgeous deeper blue here, so you've got some variation. Yet another piece that looks kind of like peeled wallpaper to me. It's very cool. Same kind of thing with a slightly different tone. Now we've got some stripes here. On this one, how cute it is, like typewriter text. Super cute. And it's in this really nice sepia tone. We've got repeating florals. Like this is gorgeous wallpaper. Right there. That would be gorgeous wallpaper. A nice repeating floral. Guys, look at, we need some tea. Look at these postcards for a second. They are so cute. They totally look, and I hope they are, like they're just reprinted from old postcards. So super great elements to tuck in. The back side of that piece has more postcards, so you can get whatever tone you're looking for. Now we've got some great frames. Frames on the other side as well, guys. So here is this side with the frames. And then we've got this, so different tones. Now we've got some detail cutting pieces, and they're different than the ones that are on the sheet. So, you know, the bonus sheet that we get with all of these great pieces, these are different pieces. So that's why you need things like these hinges are not on this sheet here. This rusted locket, this, what is it? Looks like a yardstick, but I know it's something different. I don't know. Anyway, these pieces are different than these pieces. That's my point. Moving on, moving on. All right. So we have that. Love those pieces. Some really gorgeous blue lace. And then I believe we repeat again with what we've seen. Yes, we do. But I mean, look at that. All of those gorgeous cut apart pieces. So it looks like we get 3 of each in this 6x8 paper pad. There's 24 double-sided sheets, 3 of 8 designs. Gorgeous. And then finally, oh, but wait, there's more. I've got the paper die cuts. So here's a quick look if you don't like to look piece by piece, but I did want to show you something that's very cool about these, because I definitely will go ahead and fussy cut out my big sheet, the ones in my book, of course. But I always have a pretty strong white line around my pieces. Look at how finely these pieces are cut. So if you want to not have to do the detail cutting as closely, I guess, then go ahead and pick these up. Actually, I just want both. So it's a good thing I have both the paper cuts as well as the sheets, because there's reasons why I like them done both ways. But these are super cool, ready to go, cool bits. So that's what I have for this. I will have Mintay's website down below, but stay tuned because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more unboxings to show you.